Tonight, a local advocacy center faced with federal funding cuts is navigating a new path to continue operating as normal. Thanks for joining us here tonight at 10 o'clock. I'm Allie Lynch.
And I'm Doug Warner. Fortunately, the Children and Family Advocacy Center here in Northwest Arkansas is in line for 2 new grants to hopefully fill that financial gap. KNWA's Dylan Nooner joins us live. He's been looking into this. Certainly this is good news on the heels of what could have been really devastating for them.
Yeah, Doug, Allie, the CAC's funding was cut short for the year. However, 2 grants have allowed them to continue to operate and even expand its mental health services.
If we can get localized training, that's helpful. So we're excited about that.
The Boys and Girls Club is a place that helps set up the youth for future success.
We're not certified counselors or anything, but just to identify and help kids through some of the issues they may be having.
A big issue that Eric Schultz, director of the Donald W. Reynolds Boys and Girls Club in Fayetteville, sees is the increase in mental health problems in children and teens.
I would say 5 to 6 years, we've really took a deep dive into mental health as far as what we can do for children, what children need, and provide those services for them.
Youth mental health is just one of the specialties of the Children and Family Advocacy Center.
Well, we know mental health is a huge need in our community, especially with our teens.
According to Natalie Tibbs, executive director at the CAC, federal funding that helps provide its services was cut.
It was $600,000 funding loss going into 2026, which is so critical to maintaining our operations at the degree that we do, in having the breadth of experience and knowledge of all the things right here on site.
In December, the CAC received a 2-year community assistance grant. However, Tibbs says the reward wasn't nearly the amount it takes to run its yearly services.
We applied for $1.2 million because that's the $600,000 for each of those 2 years. So no fluff, no extra funds, just exactly what we would need. And we received just under half of that 1.2. So we were recipients of $598,000.
In addition, a second grant was given to the CAC for Mercy Health Systems, a small share of $500,000.
The grant was $5,000.
Melanie Halbrook is the CAC's Director of Community Relations. She tells me the center is using that money to extend its mental health training.
So we're really hoping to have a reach of over 100 people to further our outreach and our education and equip more people in our area to respond to mental health crises in our adolescents.
According to Halbrook, the training will focus on places working with teens directly.
One of the great things about this training is it's going to equip them to learn how to identify those signs of someone in a mental health crisis or substance use challenge, and then be able to respond in a way that's going to connect them to the right resources and the right people.
Training opportunities for an organization like the Boys and Girls Club.
It's another avenue, a local avenue that we can tap in for training. I said right now we're getting some from our national office of Boys and Girls Club of America, but if we could have some local training, that would be good, especially for our part-time staff who have less of a flexible schedule.
If any organization is looking to sign up for that new mental health training, they can visit the CAC's website and request a variety of different training programs. Reporting live, Dylan Nooner, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.
All right, Dylan, thank you so much for that report.